Everybody talk about location, 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 but what exactly is the power of location when you talk about real estate investing? The thing is, location has everything to do with your return on investment when it comes to real estate. So make sure when you are looking to purchase an investment property, you look at the crime in the area. That's really big. You look at how close the location is to major amenities like schools, hospitals, shopping malls, and so forth. And you also look how close the property is to major roads, highways, and other thoroughfares. The thing is, if you choose the right location for your investment property, you will find that over time, the value of that property will go up much faster than another property that's not in a good location. So if you're out there seeking to maximize returns when it comes to real estate investing, the location has to be something that's very attractive. Go through the respective criteria before you purchase. Make sure that the property ticks out all of the criteria, because this is one of the main ways that you're going to be able to build wealth with real estate. Money will say, so location has to be important when choosing your investment property.